children, today we are going to start with our new chapter, Who Did Patrick's Homework? So before we start with today's chapter, let's have a short recap of what we learnt in our previous class. So we had learnt how to write a letter and the format of writing a postcard and a format of writing a composition based on the given verbal input. So I hope you are all very clear on writing a postcard, a letter and a composition. So now getting back to today's chapter. Who did Patrick's homework? This lesson is about a boy named Patrick and an elf. So an elf is a supernatural creature. You can see the way I have drawn an elf with sharp ears and a very small body. An elf is a very tiny little creature. So this is about Patrick. So who Patrick was and what kind of a boy was he? Let's see. So Patrick was a very active boy. He loved playing outdoor games. He loved playing hockey and basketball. Though he loved outdoor games, he was not interested in studies. He was a very enthusiastic player. He was full energy when he was on the ground, but he was never interested in studies, and especially he never liked doing his homework. So every time the teachers warned him about his studies, he used to never complete his work and was never proper in school. So this is about Patrick. Now let's see what Patrick did at home. So Patrick had a cat. So he saw his cat playing with a doll. But he was a bit suspicious. So he went very close and looked. He saw it wasn't a doll. It was a small man elf, a supernatural creature. And the man elf was wearing a woolen shirt, a tall hat and breeches. Breeches are short trousers. So normally a trousers is until your ankle. This is a short trouser just below your knee. So he saw the man elf being troubled by the cat, and the man elf pleaded him. The man elf pleaded Patrick to rescue him from the cat. So Patrick in turn asked the man elf, "If I rescue and save you, what are you going to give me?" So the elf said, "I will grant you a wish if you rescue me from the cat." So Patrick rescued the man elf and asked him for a wish. And the wish that Patrick asked him was to do his homework. The man elf was not very happy. He felt cursed. He felt cursed to do his homework, but he had no choice, so he agreed to do his homework for 35 days. That is for one semester, like we have our term 1 and term 2. So the man elf agreed to do his homework for 35 days. Then came the problem. The man elf every time had any issues, he would tell Patrick, "You got to help me in whatever way." So he used to bring the dictionary, and the man elf used to make Patrick read it loud for him so that he could do the homework. But the man elf had difficulty in doing math and social. So the man elf always said, "Why do an elf need to learn addition and subtraction? We have nothing to do with this." So every time the man elf had problem with math and social, he used to make Patrick sit overnight, go to the library and bring a lot of books for him to read. And social, the man elf said, "Why do an elf need to learn about human history? We have nothing in common with human history." So every time the homework came, the man elf got louder and louder. He used to scream and squeak, calling Patrick to help him. So he needed every time more books to do the homework. And every time Patrick had to run to the library, pick up a lot of books and keep reading it for the man elf to do. And slowly The man elf was a nag. He kept nagging. Every day it was the same thing. He kept irritating Patrick, and Patrick had no sleep because he had to keep reading books from the library in order to help the man elf complete the homework. So without sleep, Patrick had puffed eyes, he had watery eyes and went to school with half sleep. So this went on for quite a long time and the semester was over. It was the last day at school and no more homework. So the school was over and the school result was to come. So the elf knew 35 days have completed. I do not have anything to do, and the elf slyly slipped out. So the word slyly means the elf did not inform or didn't go properly telling, okay Patrick, I'm leaving, but the man elf slyly slipped out of the back door without even telling Patrick. So then comes the day at school. When Patrick gets his report card, he got an A. The teacher smiled and praised him because, as I said, Patrick was not interested in studies and he never showed much interest in doing his homework. But seeing an A in his report card, the teacher smiled. His parents too wondered, thinking, what happened to Patrick? He has completely changed. He's become a model kid. So model kid, that every kid has to be like Patrick. He is just perfect. He cleans his room. He's always cheerful and never rude to anyone. And he had a completely new attitude. So the whole character of Patrick changed. So this is the story. Who did Patrick's homework? Now in this story, what do you exactly think happened? What do you think? Did Patrick actually do his homework or did the elf do the homework? How do you think Patrick changed? So think about what happened in this lesson and how a man elf actually changed Patrick.